What's up, all you CB nerds? Here's a common problem with radios, Galaxy radios, export radios mostly, seems like. Missing the limiter there. Just may have pulled out the limiter. But a lot of times you have a bad solder joint around here. Some of these legs here. And a lot of times it can be a pain trying to find the solder joint, bad solder joint. But maybe somebody can see the solder joint here. If you get a good eye, you can get used to finding them. Sometimes you can pick them out real quick. I'll give you a clue. It's right in the middle of the screen, dead center of the screen. You'll see it's a bad capacitor, solder joint on the bad capacitor. But this is what you want to look for. There's one bad solder joint there. If I can get to focus. There you go. See that ring there? I don't know if I can find this here. Can you see the ring around there? I'm sure you can see it. That's what you want to look for. Those two, that's a bad solder joint. And it's a pretty common problem. And it takes eye to spot, and that's one of the things you want to look for. Something like that. You can see how bad that one is. A lot of times they're not that obvious, and a lot of times it doesn't move, or a lot of times it's just one leg. But this is both legs on a capacitor. I found a few more bad spots on here. You'll have that when they run them in these big trucks here. All the vibration, getting beat around on these back roads, and a lot of times it can be a needle in a haystack trying to find one bad solder joint in all of them. Hopefully I'll help you, somebody. Alright, tubers, peace.